The three favorite ones. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am actually doing my February favorites. I have actually missed, I think, like 3 or 4 months of these favorites videos because as soon as it's like needing to be filmed, something happens or something goes wrong with the video, or I have something for school I have to get done. So it's always been very like frustrating with this because I haven't been able to get out like the last 3 or 4 months worth of favorites videos. So here I am today, but first I'm excited to do this, you guys. First, before I even start the video, okay, so there's a lot of videos I film that don't require a tutorial along in them somewhere. So what I want you guys to do is tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and link my handle. It's also in the description box, but tag me on Instagram if you guys see a look that you guys think I could make work or rock, or be like, that's really hard and I don't think she can do that. So I want you guys to tag me in looks for future videos that don't really have a tutorial base to them. If you guys want to do that, that would be so much fun, and I will also give you a shout out in the video that I use it in. So you guys can also make sure to watch and see if I used your look in that video. So for instance, the videos coming up where I will be needing a look for is my 10 favorite spring lipsticks. So that's going to be coming up soon. The next one is my giveaway winner announcement video, but also a surprise for that one. And then the third one that's going to be coming soon is my birthday haul video, because I am doing a birthday haul video for my birthday presents. Once I get them all, some are still like coming to me in the mail. So as soon as I get all those, that's 3 videos, you guys, that I can do your guys' looks that you tagged me in. So just make sure to do that. But otherwise, let's get on with the favorites of February. So the first thing I have is not makeup related, and I did find this at TJ Maxx. This is a candle that was on clearance, and it is Gardenia Moonstone. I love floral scents, and this is so florally, like, y'all, this is really, really intense, but the actual like packaging was gorgeous, and I'll be reusing this definitely, because I mean, this is so cute, and this container itself at like Target would easily be what, like 15 bucks probably. So I'm keeping this to store stuff in after I actually burn the candle down. But this is a favorite. All right, basically everything else is makeup related. So let's move on to these beauties right here. I have some videos a while back, I think a couple months ago, with these, and this is actually a bronzer powder brush. It just fits in the grooves of everything so perfectly. This is the Rebel Edge by Real Techniques, and this is the blush slash contour brush, and I use this for powder contour, and then I use it for blush. It just fits the cheek perfectly for blush. It is amazing. And then I'll just do a little bit on the side of my nose, and boom. This could also be used for a highlight, but I don't use this for highlight because I like a little bit more intense of a highlight. All right, the next things are mascaras. So I am actually giving this away, and by the time this video is posted, my giveaway will be over. So one lucky person is going to be getting my favorite mascara, Monsieur Big by Lancome, and the other one is actually Colourpop. Y'all, look at this. I've actually used this so much off camera that the sides have started to come off here. But this is the Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara in Blue You Mine. I actually have a tutorial on this. I'll link it above. All right, so for foundation, definitely 100,000,000% the L'Oreal Infallible. And I also have a tutorial on this. I'm wearing it today. It's like the most amazing foundation ever. I actually tried my L'Oreal Pro Glow and hated it. After using this for so long, I did not like my Pro Glow anymore. I did not like the way it sat on my skin. It didn't have the coverage anymore. I was like, oh no, did I just find a new favorite foundation? All right, moving on to the rest of the face. So I have a blush here that I have been in love with. Oh my gosh, Crystal Ryan gave this to me for a birthday present. I'll also link that video above if you guys are interested. This will also be in my birthday haul video. But this blush just gives you the most beautiful flush of color. It still has a slight sheen to it though, so it gives you a nice healthy glow. And it's this beautiful like mauvey light pink berry color. It goes with so many looks, warm toned and cool toned. It is like the perfect mix. Alright, for highlights, I have two this month. I have been loving this. This is Bloom Time, and it's a new one by Wet n Wild, and it's actually like almost a peachy pink. Like, it's intense, you guys. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna put this on right after it, so you guys can see how beautiful these highlighters are. So this is Bloom Time. Oh my god, like look at that, you guys. Oh, it's gorgeous. Are you kidding me? This is so pretty. I've been using this like constantly. I think I've worn this every single day since I've gotten it. It's just that beautiful. Now, this is the Wet n Wild I'm So Lit. And this is their Megaglo Loose Highlighting Powder. This is like the most beautiful champagne color. Okay, it looks really dark right here, but let me show you guys. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit from the cap, and I'm just gonna show you with a different highlighting brush, something that's a little bit more precise, this fan brush here, how intense this is. Okay, I hope you guys can see. This is like my good cheek. Isn't that weird? Like, you guys have a good cheek and a bad cheek. Like, this one just doesn't do it for me. This one's like, ah. All right, here. You guys can see how beautiful this is. Oh my, like look at that. You guys, this is ridiculous. It is so, oh my god, oh my, yes, get on my cheek, Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, yes. All right, that was never happening again on my channel. What was that? Now let's move on to lips. Okay, for lips, I have 3 favorites for the month of February. This is the L'Oreal Paris. It's their new collection. Okay, my friend Nessa told me what it was, and Nessa, I can't remember what it was. It just says lip color, Rouge. And this is the color I Empower. Look at me being a super awesome influencer, not even knowing what product this is. This is just one of the prettiest nudes, and it really does go with every kind of look that I can wear. So this is my favorite, and it's so smooth when it goes on. It's almost like water, and it dries down and it does not move. Like, I have eaten full-blown salads with oil dripping down my face because I'm that girl, and it's still there after I'm done. So yes, L'Oreal. Okay, this is season 10. This is season 10 in the Ultra Matte Lip by Colourpop. It's the Shayla and Colourpop collab. And this color is so vibrant and bright and bold, and it just like, ooh, like you make a statement when you wear this red. And this red is so fun. I think that's gonna be in my spring favorite lip color video because it's intense. And lastly, my friend Crystal Ryan, again with the birthday video, which I can't link twice, so this color Alchemist. I actually did a giveaway video on this color specifically because it was the most beautiful color ever. And it is the most beautiful, sultry purple I have ever seen. Let me show you guys it on the back of my hand, even though that's not on my mouth. But actually the winner to that was Paula Owens, and she is now going to be the lucky owner of this gorgeous color. So congrats, hon, because you're gonna love it. All right, lastly, let's move on to eyes. So first and foremost, I cannot live without this NYX matte liner. This has taken over my life the past, like, I don't know, 3 months now. This is like all I've used in every single video. If I don't use this liner, I'm using the same exact liner except with their Vivid Brights. So it's just different colors. Like, this liner is, yes, everything. If I run out of that, I don't even want to use my other liners. I just want to use this. For eyelid toppers, the Little White Lies collection, you guys, OMGness. These are everything. I love glitter. I cannot live without these. So the 3 favorite ones that I've been using is Mint Myth, Pink Wink Wink, and Yellowtails, which has this gorgeous like gold shift to it. So you guys, these Little White Lies collection, they are probably the prettiest liquid eyeshadows I own. They're gorgeous. They're worth every penny. They're sheer, but they're meant to be used as lid toppers, so the minute you put any of these colors on top of any other color, it's like, it's ridiculous. All right, you guys, there is 3 things left, and they are all eyeshadow palettes. So the first one is the Zulu by Juvias. I mean, I can't stop using this palette. I know it looks like I haven't even touched it. I have, I promise. Oh, this palette is just so colorful. The amount of options it gives me for those really beautiful bright looks and spring looks is incredible. I actually have a tutorial on this. I'll link that above, and I think that look was just one of the easiest looks I've ever created. This formula is incredible, and the colors are so pigmented and easy to blend. I can't say enough good things about Juvia's Place. The next thing, oh, she is loved, you guys. This is my absolute favorite palette. She is so loved. This is the new Nudes by Huda Beauty, and this palette is so flattering, and I love purples, but I also love all of these browns that she gives us, and these shimmers and the glitters. I can create something so fast with this if I'm in like a really big rush, and it is just flawless every time. Like, even a lot of my videos where I don't know what to do, I'll just throw this on and I'm good to go. So this is gonna be probably my favorite for the whole year of 2019 until she comes out with another one of these, because I have never been in love with an eyeshadow more than these. And the last one is also going to be in my birthday haul video, but my husband did get me the Natasha Denona Gold palette, and these are so blendable, so pigmented, so easy to work with. There's such a variety of neutrals with all those golds that you can create so many endless gold eyeshadow looks, or even come in here for that beautiful gold that you want and, you know, bring in other colors with other palettes. Like, this has like so many different varieties of golds that I don't think I'll need any more at this point. I have them all in this palette. So those are my February favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Remember, tag me in some looks on Instagram, y'all, because for those next 3 videos that I pointed out, I will be needing some looks for. I mean, if you guys want a shout out and you want me to recreate those looks, don't forget to tag me. And I am so excited to see what you guys come up with, because I mean, I can even recreate your own looks if you guys want to. Let's do this. All right, that's all I have. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.